Welcome to the world of art where creativity knows no bounds. Today we embark on a journey to explore the most renowned art museums and galleries across the globe. First stop, the Louvre in France. Home to the iconic Mona Lisa, this museum houses over 35,000 works of art, captivating visitors with its grandeur and rich history. Next, we travel to the USA, where the Metropolitan Museum of Art awaits. With its vast collection spanning 5,000 years, this cultural treasure trove showcases masterpieces from every corner of the world. Our adventure continues in Italy at the Uffizi Gallery. Here you'll find breathtaking Renaissance art, including Botticelli's The Birth of Venus and Michelangelo's Tonda Doni. Now let's venture to Russia, where the State Hermitage Museum beckons. This architectural marvel houses over 3 million works of art, including masterpieces by Rembrandt, Van Gogh, and Picasso. Last but not least, we arrive in Spain at the Museo Nacional del Prado. Known for its exceptional collection of European art, this museum boasts works by Goya, Velázquez, and El Greco. Immerse yourself in the world of art, where beauty and inspiration await at every turn. From the grand halls of the Louvre to the intimate galleries of the Prado, these museums offer a glimpse into the genius of humanity. Don't miss out on the latest updates from the art world. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay informed. Immerse yourself in the world of art. Animated subscribe and bell icon reminder.